this video, I'll show you how to mix skin tones in acrylic paints. Mixing skin tones can feel daunting, but it's actually much easier than you might think, and you only need a few colours to do it. The colours you'll need are titanium white, yellow oxide, pyrrole red or a similar shade of red, ultramarine blue or a similar shade, and burnt umber. If you'd like to watch the full-length tutorial and follow along in real time while I explain the exact process, just head over to my Patreon, Rachel Froud Art, where you can access all of my full-length art tutorials. An important thing that is often overlooked is that skin tone has different undertones. Some people have warm undertones and others have cool undertones, and there can even be multiple undertones within just one portrait. For example, if we look at the skin around this eye, we can see yellow undertones on the upper eyelid, red undertones on the lower lid, and blue undertones beneath the eye. In this example, we can see red undertones on the left-hand side, yellow in the highlights, and blue underneath the corner of the eye. So, in order to mix realistic skin tones, we'll need to mix shades with yellow undertones, red undertones, and blue undertones. This will add so much depth to your paintings and really bring them to life. To mix any shade of skin, we'll use a little bit of each of the yellow, red, and blue paints. Red and blue tend to be quite strong, so you'll usually need more yellow oxide than the other two. It might sound strange to use blue when mixing skin tones, but blue is actually very important because it helps to desaturate the colour, making it look much more natural. This is because blue is opposite orange on the colour wheel, and complementary colours naturally desaturate each other. I explain this in much more detail in my colour mixing video, so I'll add a link to that below for you. To mix a shade with yellow undertones, simply add more yellow oxide. We'll start by mixing darker skin tones first. Once you've got your shade, add a little bit of burnt umber to darken it. To mix the same shade with red undertones, use the same technique, adding a little bit of each colour, but this time add a bit more red. You'll start to see the difference between the paint with yellow undertones and the paint with red undertones. Then add some brown to darken it. To mix a shade with blue undertones, do the same again, but this time add a little bit more blue. As you can see, the shade with more blue appears much cooler. To mix a slightly lighter shade, follow the same steps again, but use a little bit less burnt umber this time. Then we can mix just yellow, red and blue together without the brown to create a mid-tone. Still follow the same technique of adjusting the amounts to create different undertones. You may need to add a little bit of white to the blue undertone shade as it naturally mixes a bit darker than the others. For the lighter shades, start adding a little bit of white to each mixture. If you want it even lighter, then just continue to add more white. As you can see, you can mix a huge range of different skin tones using just these 5 paint colours. When you see them next to each other, you can really notice the difference in each undertone. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching.